In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Haiti with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first and complete any required verification steps before sending money. Once you're inside the app or on the website, take a moment to check that everything is loading properly so the transfer process goes smoothly. At the top of the screen, click the country selector and choose Haiti. This is important because Remitly tailors the transfer options based on the destination country, including available delivery methods and payment options. After selecting Haiti, click Send Money to begin setting up your transfer. Next, you'll choose who you're sending money to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, simply click their contact to continue. This can save time and reduce the chance of entering details incorrectly. If the person is not already listed, click New Contact and select their country. Be careful when entering recipient information because even small mistakes can delay the transfer. After that, enter the amount you want to send. At this stage, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This is a good time to review the numbers carefully so you know exactly what the transfer will cost and what the recipient will get in Haiti. Once the amount looks correct, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the recipient's location and what services are supported in Haiti. For example, some transfers may be delivered through bank deposit, cash pickup, or another supported option. Choose the method that works best for your recipient. Then, select your payment method. Depending on your account and region, this could include a bank account, debit card, or other available payment option. Make sure the payment method you choose has sufficient funds and is entered correctly to avoid delays or failed transactions. When everything is ready, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if needed, depending on the delivery method you selected. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully, review all the transfer information one last time, and confirm the transaction. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to double-check the recipient's details, the amount, and the delivery method. A quick review can help prevent errors and make sure your money reaches the right person as expected. Once confirmed, your transfer will be processed, and you can usually track its progress directly in Remitly.